This is the end result of a snowstorm. Look at the freaking driveway. There's like huge ass snowdrifts all over the driveway. Oh my god, that's like as tall as I am. Oh yeah, there's definitely no way in hell we can get out of this driveway. We're planning on it anyway. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god, look at the door. We have to go look out the back door. Smile. It's out the window. Freaking snowdrift right in front of the window. My goodness. And there's like 5-foot snowdrifts in our backyard. I want to be able to get the door open. That, my goodness. There's so much snow out there. The friggin' fire stove is covered, so is that chair.